Hi, it's Melissa here, and welcome to another week of MidJourney series where we're going to be looking this week at another brand. We did an electric car last exercise, but this exercise is going to be around an ad for a plant-based burger. So we want to convert meat lovers, right, into our vegan burger. But we first need to design what the burger looks like, and then we need to understand the concept of the ad, how we're going to convey the message, the tagline, if you will. So we're going to explore both the idea and the execution with MidJourney. I'm very excited to take you through this. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so, don't forget to download the prompt builder deck that is freely available. It's a free product on the site, and if you want the comprehensive set of modules from A to Z around the functions and parameters of MidJourney, then just take our course. It's only, like 2 hours tops that you'd spend time educating around what those are. So without any further ado, let's get into the exercise and have fun with our ad. So we're in the tool now, and what we're gonna do is start typing in imagine. So we need a product photography because this will be an ad. We're gonna type in imagine product photography of a plant-based burger. Just the foundation of the prompt, and we'll see what we get. Okay, so we get quite varied examples. This one definitely looks plant-based, and I like the yellow kind of solid background as opposed to having a whole scenario of a kitchen. This is quite playful. So it's also a close-up of the burger, and we can use this as reference maybe for other shots. So let's try it out. We're gonna do variation 4, close-up view. We will start with product photography the way it is, and then we will type in close-up view, and we will submit this. Just want to see if we can get an alternative shot. Okay, we did get a close-up view, but it's not the same type of burger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to upscale number 4, copy link, and we're going to do variations of 4, but we're going to bring in the sref and the picture just to reinforce that that's the style we're looking for. But I do like number 4. I think doing variations with colors, that would be interesting. I'm not vegan myself, but this does look very yummy. It's something I would eat. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So we're getting more of the same burger as opposed to, this was not maintaining the styling of it. So why don't we do, if we already have the styling of this burger, why don't we do a hot dog, a plant-based hot dog? And it could be a campaign series, right? So I'm going to say product photography of a plant-based hot dog. Perfect. We submit this and see what we get. And there we have it. We have a plant-based hot dog. It looks a little bit like a merger with the burger. So just to keep that in mind, that maybe the seed number would work better, if we had the seed number of this picture. So why don't we try it out? I want to see if there's a difference, because this still looks a bit like a burger. So what we're going to do, if you remember, is going to the envelope. I'll go to our new message. here's the seed number. I'm gonna copy that. And now we're gonna re-roll this hot dog, but instead of sref, we're going to have the seed number of burger. And fingers crossed this works. It will give us a more accurate styling of a real hot dog. Actually, I mean, it does look like a hot dog, but for some reason it's not keeping the whole yellow highlight the way it did here. So maybe having the seed doesn't really make much of a difference. That's why I'm trialing both, because you never know what's gonna work best. But yeah, we have a burger here, so I like to, you know, we can zoom it out a bit. I still like this one. We're gonna vary it strong. Old soft focus for the lens. Ultra HD. It's high definition. And steam coming out. Why not if it's hot? Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we have it. Now it's definitely more high res. It definitely looks more like an ad. It's starting to look more like product photography, and I really like this one. So for number 4, I'm going to change the aspect ratio to a 2:3. That way it can be more of a poster and I can add typography to it. So let's bring it in and wait. Okay, it did the vertical view, but it's very different from this particular burger. So what I'm gonna do, as you've probably seen I've done in other exercises, that I'm going to upscale it. And I'm gonna zoom out 1.5 because you know you want to play around with letters and typography. I could also zoom out 2. Let's see which one works best. But I really like the detail here of, you know, the meat, but also the steam coming out. It makes it look like something you would want to eat. But let's see what it does here. So this zoom out, we have 2. This is 2x and this is 1.5x. But remember, we want to make a poster, so, and it's a close-up, so maybe it doesn't need to be so far away. But you know, like, are we gonna have enough room for typography? So I'm actually gonna go for the very zoomed out number 2. I'm gonna upscale that. And oh, it has strange pepper kind of spray, so not that one. Let's see here. This okay. It has let's see, number 4. That's okay. That kind of adds to the composition. And we're going to upscale subtle. So, okay, so here's the high resolution of our burger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this image. I use Figma for this type of thing, adding typography. So I'm pasting in the image inside a vertical frame. And you see it's very easy to resize, to go up and down. And we need to add some typography. So you know, it could be something related to the idea, right, that it's plant-based. New burger, plant, find unique taste. Yeah, we got unique taste. Plant-based burger, right? plant-based burger. We could say, you know, that this is from a famous brand. I'm just gonna say Burger King. And I'm going to close this, bring it over here. And kind of can position it here in the middle of this. I'm not sure if I like this typography, so I can do a duplicate and kind of find something else, something a little bit more it's gourmet plant-based burger. Or gourmet taste. We're gonna do the new, but we should do probably there so we can see it. This is our option 1. Option 2. I mean, we're doing this very quickly. It's just for the purpose of the exercise. Maybe they come here. Okay. Yeah, so this definitely stands out more with the actual. I'm just gonna change the word to gourmet. Okay, gourmet taste. But this definitely feels more gourmet than the other one, so we could make it a lot bigger, right? Just to kind of highlight the idea of a close-up. Maybe it's too much. Maybe it's something like that. Go a little bit further. Just to separate a little bit. Sometimes it's good to keep a distance. I really like this gourmet taste. The gourmet taste idea is nice. It's just would be nice to have like an okay. We have so many fonts. I could spend all day looking for a nice font. Definitely enjoy typefaces that are timeless, that work no matter what. But just for the purposes of this exercise, we're gonna leave it this one, this plant-based burger, gourmet taste, gourmet taste. Yeah, and that's gonna be our ad. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. By all means, please tag at Type Dreams Images on Instagram so we can see it. And anyway, have a happy MidJourney session. I'll talk to you soon.